or more on, yes, 10,000. Hopefully.
Oo, magutulad na karunong nga sa mga staff natin kung pinagin man. Pero boss, no, mayroon ko sa gihapon. Again, sa tanan nyo wala nakaabot sa atong Mango All You Can event. Please, aga pa, register na kamo, and that will start at exactly 9 a.m.
Yes, okay. For only 100 pesos, you can avail and experience the Mango Eat All You Can for 30 minutes. So again, boss, ang atong nga last day for the Mango Eat All You Can at exactly 9 o'clock in the morning will start. So please register for only 100 pesos here in Trade Fair area.
Yes, if you have children aged 6 years old and below, the registration fee is 50 pesos.
Yeah, so very affordable. So sa mga children 6 and below, so 50 pesos. And of course for our regular, so 100 pesos.
Kung gusto na lang magpabata-bata.
Mapapulo-pulo ka lang mga bata.
Mapapulo na lang sa... And ladies and gentlemen, for our schedule of activities for today, we have the 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. we have the Sports Fest, volleyball and basketball in front of Capitolio Provincial, San Guimaras. 5 p.m. onwards, we have the Panabor sa Isla, Mangan Food Fest at Food Street area. And we have 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. karon.
Yes, we have the Department of Agriculture Exhibitors Night, and of course, 9:30 p.m. onwards, we have our music festival.
Oh, 9:30.
With our rock band and celebrity band,
Maki!
at the main events area. See you there, guys!
Oh, grabe.
Excited, deserving
See you there.
Maimok-imok naman at sa kanta, di ba?